Hi guys, you're welcome back. Hi guys, you're welcome to this Gate.io tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can log in or sign in to your Gate.io account on your mobile device. So guys, now it's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. The first step you have to take is to make sure you've downloaded and installed the Gate.io app, and you can do that in your Play Store or your App Store. And if you don't know how to do that, I've already made a dedicated video on how to do that. Just tap in the description of this video. You're going to see a video right there that will teach you how you can download and install the Gate.io app. So after that, what you have to do now is to open the Gate.io app. So let me tap on the Gate.io app to open it real quick. Where is it? So guys can see it right there. You can see the logo. So let me tap on it to open it. So guys can see the Gate.io app is opening. So guys, now once you've opened the Gate.io app for the first time, this is the first interface you're going to see. You can see what's written there at the top: sign up and get $10,000 bonus. So let me tap on login/sign up. Let me tap on it right away. You can see where it's written login/sign up. Then now what I have to do now is to actually impute my email address or my phone number or my username. So whichever one you can remember, just go ahead now to impute it. But in this video tutorial, I'm going to be using my email. So let me go ahead now to impute my email address right away. Let me tap on it. Then what I'll do now is to type in my email address. Let me type it in. So guys, now you can see I've imputed my email address right there. So let me tap on next. You can see guys, it's loading up. You can see what's waiting here. Enter password. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to enter my Gate.io account. So if you have created a Gate.io account before, you must have a password. So I have to impute the password right away for me to be able to log in or sign in. So let me do that right away. So guys, now I've imputed the password. So what I will do now is to tap on login. So let me tap on login. So guys can see it's loading up. You can see the next step. They said slide to complete the puzzle. So let me adjust this now to fit into the puzzle. Let me let it go. Wow guys, can see verification success and it's still loading. Here's the next step: email verification code. Verification emails may go to the spam folder. Please check your spam folder. The code is valid for 10 minutes. So guys, let me go over to my email inbox now to get the code so I can continue with this process of logging into my Gate.io account. Let me go to my Gmail app now real quick. So guys, now you can see it right there at the top there, Gate.io. You can see login verification code. So let me tap on it to open it so I can copy the code. Let me tap on it right away. So guys can see the code right there. So let me copy it. Let me tap on copy. Then let me minimize. Then let me go back to the Gate.io. So guys, what I'll do now is to paste it. So let me paste it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it and it's loading. Wow, login successful. So guys, now I've been able now to log into my Gate.io account. So let me they said use Touch ID to protect your assets. Let me skip this. Then let me tap on confirm. Wow guys, can now see it now. I've been able now to log into my Gate.io account. You can see my balance. You can see I can go ahead to trade. I can go ahead to buy cryptocurrencies and the rest of them. So guys, this is how you can actually log in or sign into your Gate.io account. Bye.